Hello students, let us continue the session on mensuration. Find the area of the following fields. All dimensions are in meters. They are given few questions wherein each of the figures are with the given dimensions. So we need to find the area. If you look at this figure, there are certain triangles over here. Some trapeziums are there. A rectangle is there. So how do we find area of this figure? Area of this figure is nothing but area of the triangle EFH. This is this triangle plus area of this rectangle EDCI plus area of the trapezium FGJH plus area of this trapezium ICBK plus area of the triangle KAB and also the area of triangle GJA. When we add all these areas, we get area of the figure. So first let me find out area of triangle EFH. Area of this triangle EFH is half base into height. Here it is half multiplied to base I can take as 40 and height I can take as 80 because it's a right angled triangle. This we get it as 1600 square meters. So one of the triangles area we have found. Now let me find area of rectangle EDCI. Area of this rectangle EDCI will be length into breadth. Here the length is 100, breadth is 80 plus 80, which is 160. So better I mention this as 160. On multiplication, we get it as 16,000 square meter. Now we can find out area of the trapezium. Area of trapezium FHJG. And we know that area of trapezium is half multiplied to height multiplied to sum of the parallel sides. So half into height is this perpendicular distance here, which is 160. Is it 160? Yes, it is 160. Multiplied to sum of the parallel sides is 40 added to 160. 40 added to 160 is 200 into 160 divided by 2. This will be 16,000 meter square. Now we can find area of another trapezium ICBK. The area of this trapezium is half multiplied to the height is 40 added to 80, which is 120, multiplied to sum of the parallel sides 60 plus 100. So this will be 160 into 120 divided by 2. We get it as 9,000. This will be 60. 6 multiplied to 1696. So 9,600 meter square. Now there are two more triangles left out. Area of triangle KAB is half into base is 60, height is 60. We get it as 1800 square meters. There is one more triangle left out. GJA half into 160 into 100 we get it as 3000 square meters. Sorry, this will be 8 times now. So 8000 square meters. Now we need to add all these areas to get area of the complete figure. Area of complete figure will be equal to 1600 plus 16,000 plus 16,000 plus 9,600 plus 8,000 plus 1,800. We have taken all the areas. On adding, we get it as 53,000 square meter. This is the area of this figure. Now, question 77 is on the same similar lines. Let me name this as figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, and figure 4, and figure 5. These 5 parts area we need to find. To find the area of the first part, it is triangle, so half into base into height. It is 180 into 120. When we simplify this, we get it as 10600. Sorry, 10800. Area of second part is again a triangle, so half into 100 into 100, and we get it as 500 square meter. Sorry, 5000 square meter, because this is 50, so 3 zeros will be there. Right. Area of the third part is the area of the trapezium, half into height multiplied to sum of the parallel sides. It is 150, because 100 plus 50, 150. 80 added to 30 is 110. This on simplification, what do we get? 8250 meter square. Area of the fourth part is area of the triangle here, half into 50 into 50. We get it as 125 followed by 10 meter square. Area of this triangle 5 is half into 80 into 120. This we get it as 4800. So we need to add all the areas. So total area will be, add them, probably we get 30,100 square meters. So this is how we can simplify and find the area. Question number 78. We need to find the area of the shaded portion in the given figure. To find the area of the shaded portion, first we can find out area of the triangle, and we can subtract the area of triangle. No, it's just the area of triangle. So it's pretty simple, but how do we find area of the triangle? We require half base and height. The base we can consider as 36. What about the height? This height is the perpendicular distance from point P to the base. This will be same as 24. So area of shaded portion is same as area of triangle. They have mentioned this as P. Let me take this letter as T. PTQ, area of triangle PTQ. So it is half, base is 36, as I had mentioned, the height can be taken as 24. So it is 18 times of 24. We get it as 432 square meters. Question number 79. We again need to find the area of the shaded portion. Here the shaded portion is the complete triangle, but this rectangular part has to be subtracted. So area of shaded region is area of triangle ABC minus area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is easy to find, it's length into breadth. What about area of triangle? Half base into height. The base is given as 40 meters and the height is given as 16. So it's easy. Area of triangle is half into 40 into 16 minus 8 into 10. So let's simplify. This will be 320 minus ET. We get it as 240 square meters. Question number 80. Again, we need to find area of the shaded portion. Here, the dimensions of the triangles are not given, which are shaded, they are not given. But unshaded portions, dimension is known. So, from this parallelogram ABCD, if the triangle ABE is subtracted, we get the area of the shaded portion. So let me mention that area of shaded region or shaded portion is equal to area of parallelogram ABCD minus area of triangle ABE. What is area of parallelogram? It's base into height. Here the base is 40 centimeters and the height is same as height of the triangle, which is 30, minus area of triangle is half into base is 40, height is 30. This will be 1200 minus 600. This will be equal to 600 square centimeters. Question number 81, we need to find area of the shaded portion. Here when you observe, there is a trapezium. From the trapezium, if you subtract this rectangle and a circle, you'll be getting area of the shaded portion. So let me mention that area of shaded portion. This will be equal to area of trapezium minus area of rectangle minus area of circle. How do we find area of the trapezium? It's half into height. Height is 100 into sum of the parallel sides. One of the parallel side is 120, another parallel side is 160. Minus area of the rectangle is 40 into 20 minus area of the circle is pi r square. It's 22 upon 7 multiplied to 7 into 7. So one of the 7 get cancelled. We can find the area now. This is 50 times of 280. 50 times of 280 is 14,000 minus area of rectangle is 800 minus area of circle is 154. On simplification, we get 13,046 square centimeter. Question number 82. Here you can see the shaded portion. When we consider the shaded portion, there is a chance that this particular region repeats itself. So what we require to do is we can find area of this trapezium plus area of this trapezium plus area of this rectangular region. Area of trapezium how do we find? So let me mark these three parts with the letters 1, 2 and 3 respectively. This is first part, second part, and part 3. So what is area of part 1? Area of part 1 is half into height is 4 multiplied to sum of the parallels is 12 plus 6. You get it as 2 times of 18 is 36 square centimeter. Then we can find out area of part 2. This is half into height is 3. Sum of the parallel sets is 8 plus 16. 8 plus 16 is 24. Divided by 2 is 12. 12 3 times is again 36 square centimeter. So when we add these two areas, this part is left out, that is our part 3. For area of part 3, it's a rectangle, it's 3 times of 4, which is 12 centimeter square. Therefore, area of shaded portion is 36 plus 36 plus 12. We get it as 72 square centimeter. Question number 83. We need to find area of the shaded portion. Here when you observe, there are 4 triangles and there is one square inside. From this circle's area, if you are subtracting area of the 4 triangles minus area of square, we will be getting area of the shaded portion. So area of shaded portion is same as area of circle minus area of 4 triangles and 1 square. If this area is removed from the area of circle, we will be getting area of the shaded portion. How do we find area of the circle here? They have mentioned here that height is 7 centimeter. So from here to here it is 7, from here to here it is 7, from here to here it is 7. Diameter will be 21. So area of circle is 22 upon 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2, because diameter is 21, radius will be 21 by 2, minus there are 4 triangles. So 4 times of area of one triangle is half base into height. So half into 7 into 7 plus area of square is side into side, which is 7 into 7. Let's simplify this. This is 2 times. This is again 2 times. So, sorry, 2 11 times. So we get 21 into 21 into 11 divided by, oh, we can simplify this. This is 7 3 times 21. So we will not have this 21. Instead, we will be having 3 over there. 3 times of 21 into 11 divided by 2 minus 7 into 7 into 2 plus 1 more 7 into 7. Totally, we will be having 3 times of 7 into 7. This can be further simplified. We get area as 346.5 minus, this will be 49 times of 3. 49 times of 3 is 147. Let me subtract. We get 199.5 square centimeter. This is the area of the shaded portion. With this question, I'll end today's session. Thank you.